but this one is just a conical one. Keep it in place. So a little bit upstream to have some wiggle room, that's enough. Then number 22, I'm gonna shoot it with my impact sockets. Oh. Yep, the highest setting, of course, to loosen it. Hopla. All right, let's have a go at it. Oh my god, it's magic. WD-40. Magic, making magic. That's a little song, you know. So now, as you can see, can you? I don't know. We're gonna count. So that's 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5. Oh wait. 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, 7.5, 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5, 10, 10.5, 11, 11.5, 12, 12.5, 13, 13.5, 14. Most of them have like 20, 25, something like that. 14.5, 15, 15.5, 16, 16.5, 17, 17.5, 18, getting close, 18.5, 19, 19.5, 20, 20.5, 21, 21.5, 22, 22.5, 22 and 3/4, 3/4. Yep, nice. The other one with the new 23 and 3/4. Yeah. 22 and 3/4. That was. Install it like this, conical shape towards you. Hop, hopla. So we start somewhere at the same. Yep, I think. Wait. Is it like this, perhaps? Let's feel for the threads. 22 and 3/4. Yeah, start from here. So this is the 3/4 thing. Yep. We did just 3/4. It's the same exact piece. It's beautiful. 3/4. I hope it lasts longer this time. 3/4. And now we have to do count 22. So a half, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. So 3 turns. I'm gonna make a mark here so I don't shit, I don't mess up the setting. So 3 turns, and we have to count until 22. Marker. Fuck, my legs are doomed. I have to stop drinking, but I can't. It feels so good once it hits your lips. So let's make a mark, shall we? This is, yep, Mr. Top. So we continue with our tedious task. 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, 7.5, 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5, 10, 10.5, 11, 11.5, 12, 12.5, 13, 13 and a half, 14, 14 and a half, 15, 15 and a half, 16, 16 and a half, 17, 17 and a half, 18, 18 and a half, 19, 19 and a half, 20, 20 and a half, 21, 21 and a half, 22. Shit. What the fuck? My glove got stuck in. Okay, this should be the correct setting. Let's figure it out and measure it. Up, 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 up. I'm gonna wiggle it back in. And let's put on the bolt. Yep. Oh. Yep. Now it's falling out almost. So how to tighten this one? Well, we'll put a creak, yeah, a lift under it, and we'll put some pressure on it on the conical shape, and then we can tighten it. We can tighten it down. Up. Or we can, yeah, I'll show it with no, I'll show it with the creak. It's good. Up. I'll show both ways. Yep. We need a block perhaps, or yeah, it will work. Up. Yeah, it's a big distance. We need some blocks. I think the creek goes until here. Well, that will be close. So you get the idea. We're gonna put some pressure on the joint. Yeah, fuck it, we'll need a block. So we put some pressure on this one, and then we can tighten it down with the impact wrench. But since my blocks are all taken, I have one left. Wait. Fuck. Oh, I have two left. Oh man. My foot is still a bit fucked up. My legs are tired. I'm doing crazy movements. Crazy. So, 2 blocks. What's better than 1 block? 2 blocks. Yes, of course. So, we're gonna lift it up a little bit. Ah, come on. Hey. God damn it. That's a rather difficult one to yeah.